Hello and thank you for joining us on another Headed West how-to video. Today we will be featuring the Randy's Echo Dry Herb Vaporizer. The Randy's Echo is arguably one of the most cost-effective dry herb vaporizers on the market, featuring a ceramic heating element, quick heat-up time, and multiple temperature settings. Inside the Randy's Echo box, you will find the Randy's Echo Vaporizer, cleaning tool, replacement screens, instruction manual, and USB charger. The Randy's Echo also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Before going any further with your Randy's Echo Vape, make sure it is fully charged. You can charge your device by inserting the smaller end of the USB charger into the bottom of the vape. Let the unit charge for about 2 to 3 hours. Once the unit is fully charged, you can begin your vaping experience. Start by removing the magnetic lid that functions as a mouthpiece and lightly pack in your finely ground CBD flower or herb of choice. Be careful not to pack the product too tight, as you won't be getting the ideal airflow. Overpacking the unit can cause combustion and won't be pure vaporization. When the Echo is fully loaded, press the mouthpiece back on top of the unit until you hear a click, then simply press the black button 5 times to turn the unit on. When the unit is turned on, click the same black button 3 times to go through the temperature menu. Keep clicking the black button 3 times until it's set to your desired temperature. The Randy's Echo will take about 30 seconds to warm up. This is indicated by the flashing light underneath the temperature you selected. Once the blinking light turns solid, then you know you're ready to vape. Cleaning the unit is very easy. Simply remove the lid from the Echo and use the cleaning tool to remove any product from inside. Make sure you remove any debris left over before loading the unit again. This prevents resin buildup and provides a cleaner vaping experience. Thank you for joining us on another Headed West how-to video. Make sure you subscribe below.